Hey there. Did you know that Nigeria celebrates its Independence Day on October 1st? It's a significant day in the country's history.
Yes, I'm aware. Nigeria gained its independence from British colonial rule in 1960, marking a momentous occasion for the nation. The Independence Day celebration must be a vibrant and lively event in Nigeria.
Absolutely. Independence Day in Nigeria is celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor. The entire country comes together to commemorate the day Nigeria became a sovereign nation. There are parades, cultural events, and flag-hoisting ceremonies across the country. It's a sight to behold.
I can imagine the atmosphere must be electrifying. It's wonderful to see people from diverse backgrounds coming together to celebrate their shared heritage and freedom. How do people typically celebrate this day in Nigeria?
The celebrations are indeed diverse and colorful. People wear traditional attire, and there are cultural performances showcasing Nigeria's rich heritage. In cities like Lagos and Abuja, there are grand parades featuring military displays, floats, and marching bands. It's a visual spectacle, with the national flag proudly displayed everywhere.
That sounds amazing. It must be a great opportunity for the younger generation to learn about their country's history and heritage. I'm curious, are there any specific traditions or customs associated with Nigeria's Independence Day celebrations?
Absolutely. The younger generation plays a vital role in these celebrations. Schools often organize special events, including debates, quizzes, and art competitions centered around the theme of independence. Families and communities also come together for feasts, sharing traditional dishes that are an essential part of the celebration.
It's heartening to hear that education and cultural heritage are integral parts of the celebrations. I assume there are also speeches and events that reflect on Nigeria's journey to independence and its progress since then.
Yes, you're right. Political leaders and prominent figures often give speeches highlighting the significance of the day and the progress Nigeria has made since gaining independence. These speeches inspire national pride and unity, reminding people of the challenges faced and overcome by the nation.
It's crucial to acknowledge the progress made while also recognizing the challenges that lie ahead. I'm sure these speeches serve as a source of motivation for the citizens. Are there any particular historical events or figures that are commemorated during the Independence Day celebrations?
Absolutely. Nigeria's Independence Day is an occasion to honor the sacrifices of notable figures who played key roles in the struggle for independence. Figures like Nnamdi Azikiwe, Obafemi Awolowo, and Ahmadu Bello are remembered and celebrated for their contributions to the nation's freedom. Their legacies continue to inspire generations.
It's essential to remember the leaders and visionaries who paved the way for Nigeria's independence. Their dedication and courage have shaped the nation's identity. I'm curious, how has the way Nigeria celebrates Independence Day evolved over the years?
The way Nigeria celebrates Independence Day has evolved significantly over the years. In the early days after independence, the focus was on asserting national identity and unity. As the country progressed, the celebrations became more elaborate, incorporating diverse cultural elements from the various ethnic groups that make up Nigeria. Nowadays, there's also a strong emphasis on technological advancements and economic achievements, reflecting Nigeria's growth as a nation.
It's fascinating to see how the celebrations have adapted and grown alongside Nigeria's progress. I assume that the sense of unity and patriotism during these celebrations is palpable, bringing people together regardless of their cultural or ethnic differences.
Absolutely. Independence Day in Nigeria fosters a sense of unity and patriotism that transcends ethnic and cultural boundaries. It's a time when people come together, proudly embracing their Nigerian identity. The celebrations serve as a reminder of the nation's strength and diversity, and the shared values that bind its people together.
That unity and diversity is truly inspiring. It's evident that Independence Day holds a special place in the hearts of every Nigerian. I can only imagine the pride and joy that permeates the air during these celebrations. Is there anything else about Nigeria's Independence Day that you find particularly noteworthy or interesting?
One noteworthy aspect is the global recognition of Nigeria's Independence Day. It's not just celebrated within the country. Nigerians living abroad also organize events and gatherings to mark the occasion. This global celebration showcases the strong sense of identity and belonging that Nigerians feel, regardless of where they are in the world. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of the Nigerian people.
That global celebration truly emphasizes the widespread impact of Nigeria's Independence Day. It's heartwarming to see how Nigerians worldwide come together to commemorate their nation's freedom. I believe these celebrations also serve as a platform to address contemporary issues and work towards a better future for Nigeria.
Absolutely. Independence Day is not just a time for celebration, but also an opportunity to reflect on the challenges the country faces and work towards solutions. It's a time for introspection and a renewed commitment to the nation's progress. Initiatives related to education, healthcare, and economic development often take center stage during this period, highlighting the ongoing efforts to build a stronger and more prosperous Nigeria.
It's commendable to see the focus on addressing societal issues and fostering development during such a significant celebration. This holistic approach ensures that Independence Day is not just a day of festivities, but also a catalyst for positive change. I'm sure these efforts contribute significantly to Nigeria's growth and development.
Absolutely. The collective efforts made during Independence Day celebrations contribute significantly to Nigeria's growth and development. It's a time when the nation comes together to reaffirm its commitment to progress, unity, and prosperity. The sense of national pride and determination that permeates the air during this period is truly inspiring.
It's been incredibly enlightening to learn about the depth and significance of Nigeria's Independence Day celebrations. The rich cultural traditions, the unity and diversity, and the commitment to progress are truly inspiring. Thank you for sharing this valuable insight into Nigeria's Independence Day.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could share this information with you. Nigeria's Independence Day is indeed a celebration filled with pride, unity, and a strong sense of purpose. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Nigerian people. If you have any more questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to know about, feel free to ask.